Your social media feed is probably screaming at you to buy a handheld jet engine that fits in your pocket. It looks sleek. It looks powerful. It promises to clear your driveway and dry your car in seconds. But once you pull the curtain back on this specific handheld blower, the shiny marketing starts to rust almost immediately. The first thing that caught my eye was the absolute chaos in the technical specifications. One page tells you the motor spins at 30,000 revolutions per minute. You click another link and suddenly it is 55,000. Then it jumps to a staggering 800,000. That is not just a typo. That is a physical impossibility for a small plastic tool you hold in your hand. When a company cannot even decide how fast its own motor spins, you are usually looking at generic parts stuffed into a fancy shell with zero quality control. The concept itself is actually quite brilliant. Having a tiny high-velocity blower for delicate tasks like cleaning out a computer or drying off side mirrors is a great idea. It weighs less than a kilogram. It has a variable speed trigger. On paper, it fills a massive gap for people who do not want to lug around a massive leaf blower for small jobs. However, the reality of owning one seems like a total nightmare based on what people are actually experiencing. The marketing department claims you get 50 minutes of runtime. Real-world testing tells a very different story. Some people are getting 30 minutes. Others are reporting the unit shuts down after only 6 minutes because it gets dangerously hot. One user even described a situation where the blower would only run for 8 seconds before it needed to cool down. You cannot even clear a single floor mat in 8 seconds. Then you look at the company history. They appeared out of nowhere just last year. Their return policy is one of the most aggressive traps I have ever seen. You have exactly 48 hours from the moment it hits your doorstep to decide if you want to return it, and it must be completely unused. If you take it out of the box and realize it is a dud on day 3, you are stuck with $100 paperweight. People are reporting packages arriving that look like they have been sliced open and taped back together. Some people open their boxes to find they are completely empty. When they try to reach out for help, they get stuck in an endless loop with an artificial intelligence chatbot. It is programmed to waste your time until you just give up. They even advertise a lifetime warranty that seems to exist only as a fiction because nobody can actually get them to honor it. This is a classic case of a great idea being ruined by a company that is more interested in your credit card number than your satisfaction. There are plenty of established brands out there making compact tools that actually work. You are better off putting your money toward a company that has a physical office and human beings working in the customer service department. This specific unit is a massive red flag wrapped in a pretty Instagram ad. You should save your cash and stay far away from this one. There are tools from trusted names that give you real power without the headache of disappearing packages or overheating batteries. You deserve a tool that actually shows up and stays running for more than a few seconds. The risk here just does not match the reward.